The woman who refused to be defined by one chapter. Imagine opening your phone and realizing thousands of people are discussing your life. Not your work, not your talent, your life. Some people support you, some people judge you, some people think they know exactly what you're feeling, even though they have never met you. Now imagine walking into work the next morning as if nothing happened, smiling, learning your lines, facing the camera. Would you be able to do it? Jennifer Winget did. And maybe that's why her story isn't really about heartbreak, it's about what happens after heartbreak. Because sometimes life doesn't end when one chapter closes. Sometimes that's exactly when your real story begins. You know the headlines. Now let's find the last piece. Last time we spoke about Rekha, a woman who quietly taught us that we don't owe the world an explanation. Today's story feels different because Jennifer didn't choose silence to create mystery. She chose silence to protect her peace, and there is a difference. Can I ask you something? Have you ever had one moment that people refuse to let you forget? Maybe one mistake, one bad decision, one relationship. No matter what you achieved later, people kept bringing you back to that one chapter. It feels unfair, doesn't it? As if your entire life can be summarized by one event. That's exactly why Jennifer's story matters. Because if you ask most people about Jennifer Winget, many will immediately remember a chapter from her personal life. But here is what fascinates me. Why don't we remember everything she did after that? Because honestly, that's the more inspiring story. Here is something people forget. Long before Jennifer became one of the television's biggest names, she had already spent years in front of the camera, not chasing fame, learning, growing, failing, improving. Success didn't arrive overnight. Like most meaningful things, it arrived one small step at a time. Most people see the unfinished painting, very few notice the thousands of brush strokes. Jennifer's career was exactly like that. One role, another lesson, another opportunity. Slowly, without making much noise, she became a familiar face in millions of homes. Then life seemed perfect. A successful career, a relationship people admired, a future that looked beautifully planned. Isn't it strange? Sometimes the chapters we believe will last forever become the shortest ones. Life has a funny way of rewriting our plans without asking us first, and Jennifer was about to discover that. Think about your own life. How many times did things not go the way you imagined? You had a plan, life had another one. Maybe that's why Jennifer's story feels so personal, because at some point, almost all of us have watched a version of our future disappear. The real question is, what do you do next? Because what happened next didn't just change Jennifer's personal life, it changed the way an entire industry looked at her. But before the applause came the noise. Life has a strange habit of changing without warning. One day everything feels certain, the next nothing does. For Jennifer, a deeply personal chapter of her life became public conversation. Entertainment websites reported on it, people discussed it online, fans shared opinions, media covered the developments, and just like that, a private experience became a public headline. That's the part of fame people rarely talk about. When something beautiful happens, the world celebrates with you. But when something painful happens, the world often watches. Imagine carrying that weight, not only healing, but healing while millions of strangers believe they know your story. Some people offered support, some people made assumptions, some believed that they knew what had happened. But the truth is, only the people who lived the chapter know what it truly felt like. Here is what caught my attention. Jennifer didn't spend months trying to convince everyone to see things her way. She didn't answer every opinion. She didn't fight every headline. Instead, she quietly stepped back, not from life, from the noise. And I think there is an important difference. Walking away isn't always weakness. Sometimes walking away is how healing begins. Think about your own life. How many times have you replayed a painful conversation in your head, thinking, if only they understood me? But what if understanding was never something you could control? Maybe peace begins when we stop trying. Eventually, life asked Jennifer the same question it asks all of us. Now what? She could have disappeared. She could have stayed away. She could have allowed one difficult chapter to become her entire identity. She didn't. Instead, she made a choice, not through interviews, not through speeches, through her work. Every new role felt different, more mature, more layered, more fearless. She wasn't trying to erase the past, she was simply building something bigger than it. That's what resilience looks like. Not pretending pain never happened, but refusing to let pain decide who you become. One performance made audiences emotional, another surprised critics. Then came roles that proved something important. Jennifer wasn't surviving anymore, she was evolving. Slowly, people stopped asking what happened to Jennifer and started asking when is Jennifer's next show? Do you see what changed? The conversation moved from curiosity to respect. That's not something you can demand, you earn it. By the way, if these stories make you look at life differently, not just celebrities, then you are exactly where you belong. Because every week we are not chasing headlines, we are searching for the lesson hidden inside them. If you would like to join us, I would love to have you here. Now let's finish the story. Maybe the strongest comeback isn't the one everyone applauds. Maybe it's the quiet decision to wake up one more day and keep going. But Jennifer's greatest transformation had nothing to do with television. It happened inside her because somewhere along the way she stopped trying to get her old life back and started building a new one. There is something beautiful about people who quietly rebuild themselves, not because they have to prove something, but because life keeps moving, and so do they. Years passed. New television shows arrived, new faces entered the industry, new trends came and went, but Jennifer never tried to become someone else. She simply became a better version of herself. That's harder than it sounds because after pain, most people have two choices: become bitter or become wiser. Looking at Jennifer's journey, it feels like she chose the second one. Here is something interesting. If you look at Jennifer today, you will notice something. Her social media doesn't feel like someone trying to convince the world that she's happy. It simply feels peaceful. Work, travel, friends, family, quiet moments. No loud announcements, no constant explanations. Maybe real healing looks exactly like that. Think about it. How do you know someone has moved on? Not because they stop remembering, but because they stop living inside that memory. Jennifer's story isn't inspiring because difficult things happened. Difficult things happen to everyone. Her story is inspiring because she refused to let one chapter become the title of her entire book. So, who is Jennifer Winget? A successful actress? Absolutely. A talented performer? Without question. But maybe those aren't the most important answers. Maybe Jennifer is a reminder that life will never ask your permission before changing your plans. People will change, dreams will change, chapters will end, but endings have a strange habit. Sometimes they are only endings because we haven't reached the next page yet. Maybe that's why so many people still admire Jennifer, not because her life was perfect, but because she kept showing up even when life became uncertain. And honestly, sometimes that's the bravest thing any of us can do. If the story reminded you that your hardest chapter doesn't have to define you, then maybe there is someone in your life who needs to hear this too. And if stories like this help you to see life a little differently, I would love for you to stay with us because we are only getting started. A few days ago, Samantha reminded us that life gives us the courage to begin again. Then Rekha taught us that we don't owe the world an explanation. And today, Jennifer reminds us that one chapter can never decide the rest of your story. Three different women, three completely different lives. One common truth: life never stops rewriting us. Our next story is about a young man who arrived in Mumbai without a film family, without guarantees, and carrying more dreams. Then, certainly, he lost people before the world knew his name. But somehow, he never lost his belief. And years later, the same city would call him the king. But trust me, that's not the most remarkable part of his story. Every headline leaves behind a question, every question leaves behind a clue, and sometimes the answer isn't hidden in the fame or success or heartbreak. Sometimes it's hidden in the lesson we almost missed. Until next time, keep looking for the last piece.